Hi friends, so welcome to my channel. So in this session, we are going to discuss what is app in Salesforce and how to create the apps in Salesforce. So generally, I have logged into my Salesforce or developer edition org. So if you see here, there is a night box which is called as app launcher. So when you click on it, it will be presenting you with all the apps which are coming with the Salesforce and any apps you have built out. So generally, you can see some of the apps have been pre-installed. So you can see like the service, community, sales console, sales, goal solution, sales console app. So, so what are these apps? So these apps are nothing but a functionality that is being expertised by the people of who are using the CRM. So this contains of nothing but objects in forms of tabs. So let me open this service. So if you see the service, it contains a home as a tab, chatter as a tab, accounts as a tab, contacts as a tab. So generally it is nothing but a collection of tabs, and the tabs can be either the objects or any functionality developed using LWCs or Visual Force or Aura components or any tab which we have created for just for the displaying purposes as well. Okay, so this is all about app, and there are two types of apps in the Lightning experience. One is of type a normal app, which is of a Lightning app, and the other one is called as a console app. So the difference between these two is normal Lightning app will not have like if you have opened this account and if you want to go to contact, so ultimately you are going to lose what is open in the account tab. So if you switch to the different tabs, then you lose the previous functionality. Whereas in the console apps, if you open this and if you want to open the account, then you can open these two tabs side by side. Okay. So that is about the console app, and the console app has a utility bar where you can add some reactions. So let me open this console app as well to show you. So let me open the service console app. The prior one is the service app, and now it's a service console. Now, if you see here, here you can see the tabs are precised into one drop down. And if you open here the account, let me open the account and show you how you can switch to multiple tabs. So here is the account, and see, even if you open the account, you are able to see all the other accounts, so that you can easily navigate to any other account without wasting your time by switching back again. So you can see now we have opened the pyramid construction, and in the side by you have also the existing account which have been already opened. And also you can see here under this account there is a contact. So if you open this contact, so you are able to open the contact, but you have not losing the account which is already been there. This is the specialty of the console app. And also in the console app, you can see at the bottom, this is called as utility bar. So you can add some actions over this utility bar, and these actions can be placed all over the, like you can utilize this irrespective of whether whichever the tab you are in. So you can use this. So generally on the service console, it is used for the service cloud. Okay. So now let me deep dive into how to create an app in the Salesforce. So for that, first you need to go to the setup. So by clicking on the gear icon here and clicking on setup, you can go to the setup. Once you are in the setup, in the quick find, type app manager. Okay. And select the app manager. Now here you can see new lightning app and new connected app. Connected app is not needed now, but it's generally used for connecting to the external systems or any authorizations to be done. So now I am going to tell you about the lightning app. So just click on new lightning app. It will ask you the name for the app. So just I'm giving computer word. Automatically the developer names comes with any spaces being replaced by the underscores. You can give the description of and then you can present out with a logo here and also what should be the coloring for any app. Generally the coloring here you can say like this is coming as a purple line. So generally what coloring you want to do, you can do this. Then I have a logo over here. So generally it is coming with the Salesforce logo, but if you want to change it, then you can upload an image here. For now, I'm not doing anything. Okay, let's click on next. See, now you can see this is navigation factor. So this will tell you whether it's a standard app or it's a console app. So if you choose standard navigation, then it will be showing like the previous service app. If you choose console navigation, then it will be showing as a console app. All right. And here you have the setup and personalization. Generally, setup is preferred. Service setup is preferred if you are doing a functionalities more over towards the service cloud. And supported form factors is nothing but where this app can be suitable. Is it applicable only to the desktop application or it's also applicable to both? So if you want only to choose as a desktop, then you can choose desktop. If you want to log in this app only through the phone, then you can choose phone. So here are other customizations you can do, like disable end user for navigation, personalization of the navigation items in the sense, if we wants to add extra tabs, if the user is able to add the external tabs, like additional tabs, generally app come with these tabs. And if he has the allowing of doing editing to this tabs, is the thing. So these are the few things. Next, go to the next. See. So even now feature utility items can also be added to the general apps as well. For now, I'm not doing this. Okay, now you can see here what type of tabs you want to add, like the navigation items, what you want to add, those you can see. So generally we prefer accounts. Let me type for accounts and select the arrow. Then afterwards, cases. So now click on next. You can see here in the 3 tabs I have chosen. Clicking on next. And to which profiles this app is accessible, you need to choose the apps profiles for whom this app is going to be accessible. So for now, I'm using only the system administrator. You can also add any other profiles you want to add. You can add from here. Then you can save and finish. Yeah. So now the app is being created, and you can search here the app which I have been created. So I created it with the name computer. So I think, yeah, here is the one. So if you want to do any edits later on also, you can click here, the arrow drop down and click on edit, and you can go back again to the builder page where you can make the edits. Like if you want to change the logo or to any add any more tabs, you can do add any profiles. You can do every step what we have done initially. The same we can do it again if you want to do anything. So now here again going back to the home page. So now you can search here the app whether it is able to find or not. So if you see here, you are able to see this computer world app, which I have created just now. So if you open this app, see I have added accounts, cases, and contacts. So these tabs will be generated onto the app. Yeah. Thank you guys for taking this session, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Signing off.